I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by prepping ingredients and taking the first actionable step. Grind 1 tablespoon cloves and 2 tablespoons rosemary, then combine with 1/4 cup carrier oil. Heat gently for 30-45 minutes or cold infuse for 2 weeks. The heat releases volatile compounds faster, while cold steeping preserves delicate aromatics. Once strained, you have a concentrated tonic. Clove improves scalp circulation, and rosemary supports follicle stimulation. You continue by testing and then applying the infusion. First, do a 24-hour patch test. Once cleared, section your hair and apply oil directly to the scalp, focusing on thinning areas. Massage 5 to 10 minutes with your fingertips. This increases blood flow and helps the active compounds penetrate the follicle. After massaging, leave the oil on for 30 to 60 minutes under a shower cap. Optionally warm the cap for deeper penetration. Make sure to avoid eyes and mucous membranes. You finish by rinsing and establishing a maintenance routine. Shampoo gently with a mild, sulfate-free cleanser and condition the lengths. This prevents stripping beneficial oils. Use the treatment 2 to 3 times weekly and be consistent. Hair cycle effects take months, so track improvements and any scalp sensitivity. Store the oil in a cool, dark place up to 3 months. If you get itching or redness, dilute further, reduce frequency, or stop. For severe or persistent reactions, consult a dermatologist promptly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.